Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n MCP to Claude. This integration allows Claude to directly interact with your n8n workflows, making it possible to automate tasks and execute complex processes through natural conversation with the AI. To get started, navigate to n8n.io in your web browser, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your n8n dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it to access the configuration menu. From the Settings menu, you'll see several options available. What we're looking for here is Instance Level MCP. Click on this option to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Instance Level MCP Overview page. This is where all your connected AI assistants are managed and displayed. Before we can add Claude, we need to enable this feature first. Look toward the top right part of your screen, and you'll notice a toggle button. Click on it to enable the MCP functionality. This step is essential as it activates the server that Claude will connect to. Once you've enabled the feature, you'll notice a server URL field appears on the screen. This URL is the key to connecting Claude to your n8n instance. Click on the Copy button located right next to the server URL field to copy it to your clipboard. Make sure you've successfully copied this, as we'll need it in just a moment. Now open a new browser tab and head over to Claude AI. Once you're on the Claude interface, look at the reply field where you normally type your messages. In the lower left corner of this field, you'll see a plus button. Click on it and a small window will appear with various options. From this window, click on Add Connectors. This is where you'll establish the connection between Claude and external services. A connectors window will now open up, showing you different categories of available integrations. Click on the Web section to browse web-based connectors. You might not immediately see n8n listed among the most popular options, but don't worry. There's a handy search bar at the top of this window. Type in n8n into the search bar and it should appear in the results. Once you've located n8n, click on the plus button next to it. You'll be prompted to enter the server URL. Simply paste the server URL we copied earlier from your n8n settings and you're all set. That's it. You've successfully connected n8n MCP to Claude. Now Claude can access and trigger your n8n workflows directly through conversation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.